Welcome back to in my channel. Can I thank you very much for putting your precious time and sharing your precious time with us. My dear friend, it is a global challenge that people want to learn spoken English and they want to boost their communication skills. Whatever the knowledge, whatever the experience they have, that is not that much so that they competence in this market. So I know means you are not able to share your experience. You are not able to explain yourself in good way because of the you don't have sufficient vocabularies. You don't have the appropriate vocabularies where you can communicate with people directly. Communication plays a vital role in our life wherever we are going. Whenever we are going to give any interviews or we are interacting with corporate departments or whenever you are talking any administration department, so there is a very important about speaking English or coordinating with them. Whenever you have a period and you have big and terrible amount of vocabulary, so that you can speak clearly and confidently. Whenever you speak like this, so there your personality, your shadow, your reflections will always remember the person whomever you are communicating, whomever you are sharing your information and thoughts. So that is why I am making this video, and I believe that at once you boost your communication skills, at once you learn new vocabularies, definitely it will change your lifestyle. Till that moment, whatever you have done in your life, that is not sufficient and there is always lack of some kind of problem. But learning vocabularies will always enhance your communication skills and it will give you certain kind of technique, ideas and knowledge through which you can see your personality will be different from others. And yes, so many people you also found that their communication skill is not that much, or they are speaking very normal or very simple English. I don't want to become the paradigm of that people. From those people, I want you to become a different personality, successful persons, and you see or touch the growth of your life. So my dear friend, you have to definitely learn the different kind of vocabularies, and whenever you learn, you can share your point of views, your information and your knowledge freely without facing any kind of problem. Whether you are living in India or living outside of India, working in political department, working in real estate business, or coordinating yourself in current corporate affairs, definitely everywhere you can see and you can coordinate with them and you can share your feelings, unmatchable feelings. You have different vocabularies, different ideas. Your expression nobody others people can acquire. The knowledge you have right now, you have gained, it is very unique. But right now, whatever you are going to learn from this moment, it will always bring revolutionary change in your mind and your thoughts. Making thoughts, it is the achievement your life, and you should never avoid this. You should incalculate, no matter how far you have achieved, but again there is something is lacking which you should fulfill. Okay, so today I am going to give you the best explanation about the vocabularies. Here I will also write the words and the vocabularies, and you can see I will identify one words and then I will categorize in many parts. Same words, I will give you different kind of meanings and ideas, and that meanings and ideas or that words you can use in your expressions while you are doing corporate communication with the administration, the department, different kind of department or any sectors in this world. So we will take, now you can see new words or vocabularies. Here I will give you the explanation on all the things. So let me take the word or vocabulary. Consider. So right now I hope everything is visible. So the consider. The meaning is consider. Means to select something, to choose something. The vocabulary is how we can pronounce this? We can pronounce as consider, to select something, to choose something. I consider myself the path of progresses of your learning. Right? I have to use in my sentences. I can make more than 50 sentences so that your ideas, your knowledge and your critical understanding, it should be improved. So you can see the consider. I consider myself as a successful businessman. or I consider your learning is growing, or I consider your learning is developing somewhere. So the meaning of the consider, I hope it is clear. I hope you get the point and the opinion from this word. Consider, consider. I believe that my whenever I consider myself as a successful person, so I found myself that yes, I'm very successful. I consider myself, means I choose myself as a successful person, or I select my candidature that I am very successful. I hope you understand about the consider. So next, what I can form here? Here I can form consideration. Now this is the same. The meaning you can say I got these vocabularies from these words. So this is consideration. My consideration is not to work on those companies, or I have good considerations whenever I see the people. I have good consideration, and my consideration is very effective whenever I select to do any kind of work. My sentence and my all the things are completely different, and I'm using different things, so that it might can go longer, but when you understand deeply and putting your all kind of effort, so definitely you will get to know. So consideration, your consideration is not to do job, but you have to create a big organization, right? Or your consideration is not to get short term of goal. You want to achieve big goal. My consideration is that I have to make huge empowerment, or I have to make a good samraj. In Hindi we call samraj, or imperialism, right? So consideration, whenever you are considering something, or you sim the meaning somewhere it is similar to like that, but there is a little or slightly different from that word, right? Consideration, or your consideration is very successful person to be in life, or company's consideration is to make satisfied their employment, or companies considerations to get satisfactions to the customer. I hope you understand the meaning of consideration. Again, what will be the next words? What you can form with these words? What next words you can form? How you can form? So that what we will see here. So the new vocabularies you can identify, or new words you can understand considering. It is similar to like consider, but there is a little or slightly change that about the meaning of the considering. I'm considering Indian government is developing day by day, or I'm considering your progress is about to happen, or I'm considering that company is becoming successful, or successful, I'm considering that company. So there are plenty of understanding from these words. These are the words you can put in your put while describing or giving any kind of explanation from your point of view, right? And what will be the next word? So next, what you can learn? Considerable. So new vocabularies you can identify. Considerable. Let's suppose that I'm going to buy something. I'm going to buy some products from the market. Any kind of product. Let's suppose that I'm going to buy refrigerator from the market. So I can say I am not this product is not considerable. This product is not considerable. or it will not satisfy my requirement, so it is not considerable. Or the things which I am going to select, that is not considerable for my future growth. For my future growth, I would not considerable these products, or this is not considerable moment in my life, or I'm no or any kind of things, any kind of objects you are buying, so you are ignoring that, you are neglecting that thing, so that is considerable. Anything whichever you are not considering, this is not you are not like it, you are disliking that, so that we call considerable. And what and right now you can understand that from this vocabularies, this is the root vocabularies, and identify there is formation of the new vocabularies. From this vocabularies, you definitely understand from this is consideration, considering, and considerable. Definitely you would understand. In this way, if you learn your spoken skills and your communication skills, it will be next level, and definitely you will achieving the greatness. You will enjoying yourself completely when you believe that yes, things are happening and you are learning. Whenever you put your mind in learning, so definitely you will become very successful person in this world. Today you are learning in this day by day you are increasing, you are graving the knowledge, you are gathering somewhere in your mind, and when whenever you have watched so many videos like that, so definitely automatics all the things will come in your mind and you can change your life. Definitely this is my promise, and I sure that whenever you are learning you will change your personality completely. Yes. Now I have given you considerable, and what will be the next vocabularies? You can see considerate, or you next vocabularies you can see considerated. I have not considerated this product yet, or I am going to considerate it with new learning, or you are going to considerate some of the big things in life. So here what I have used with considerated, ed. Last time I have from the last of these vocabularies I have used ed, means considerated. I have not considerated this business at this time, right? So what you have to identify? You have to identify wherever the vocabulary is you are setting or you are fitting. So that would be the great challenge. Whenever you analyze that yes, this vocabulary is used, this vocabulary is fine to use in this way, or with the help of this vocabulary I can share my point of view. Whenever your mind is analyzing about all these things, so definitely you will achieve the success learning, and your aim and objective will not remain incomplete. It is my promise to you, right? Again, what new vocabularies we can identify? We can with the help of this new vocabularies, what will come? So now you can see the consistency. This is the vocabularies I have identified. This is also where you can enhance your vocabularies power, and you can take one vocabularies and make it in many forms. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Whatever the possibilities, whatever the thoughts and vocabularies comes in your mind. So definitely you can make. You have the right and you have the privilege that you are formatting all these vocabularies. So now you can see this is consistency. Same, the words comes from consider. So it is also consistency. So right now, whenever you are learning, if you are not learning today, tomorrow, or you are not continue your learning, so that means you broke the consistency of your learning. Or whenever any work you are not doing on regular basis, so your consistency has been broken. You have broke the consistency. Anything which you are making boundaries, anything which is you are making boundaries and you are breaking that, so that would be consistency. I will give you the real example. If consistency is not in your learning, so you will not able to understand all the process. Your communication skills will be not good whenever you are not putting consistent effort. So now new what vocabularies I have find consistent. So now you can do it. Whenever you are not learning new vocabularies, new sentence structure or new things, so your consistent will not to improvement of your communication skills. So now you can see with the help of one vocabularies I have identified this much, and now you can see what are the different meanings. This vocabularies you can make in different way and certain ways. You can analyze and interpret that which vocabulary is good whenever you are describing the things. Whenever you are describing the things, what are the vocabulary is very fantastic, so that you can use effectively. It is your I'm giving you lots of examples and multiple things, so that at least you should learn something. Because of your learning, I'm standing here, right? So you should never forget your objective. Your objective is to save time, watch only valuable things. Whatever you want to become in your life, you can watch only those things. Don't waste your time watching anything which is not going to help you, which is not going to support you for your future growth. So why you should waste? We have very limited time. We have only one life. One life means you have to do each and everything. You don't have much time, no matter what is your age. You should focus and learn the things, right? So you can see with help of this vocabularies, I have given you lots of examples. Definitely your mind is blooming, or I put you certain kind of ways where you can see, yes, this is the differentiated, this is the learning, this is what I needed in my life, and I shall never forget it. It is my development is happening, so I should learn this. I told you why learning is important. I told you why communication is plays the bigger change in your life. How people are earning thousands and millions of dollars, crores of people are living. Why? Because of their communication. Because of their communication, they are on the big position that nobody can shake them. They are very strong. It seems like they are established at one place and nobody can shake them because of their communication skills, because of their knowledge. Well, if you learn anything, if you believe that you are changing, if you believe that transformation is happening, so definitely you can subscribe my channel and support me as well. I will bring you such kind of things and which can change your lifestyle, right? Well, thank you very much, and you can share this video to your friends and family and your students or whomever you want to see that they should also learn from this video. Anybody, whomever you see the path of progress, you can share these videos. And if you are not subscribed yet, so you can subscribe. Please help me and support me. I will change you. I will make you wonderful person, and I will enrich your knowledge and experience. Well, thank you very much for watching. Thanks for your precious time. Thank you.